Do you want to build your body at home? Are you interested in attaining that dream physique without stepping a foot outside? Well, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through a comprehensive full body workout that you can do in the comfort of your own home. At first, the idea of a full body workout might seem daunting, but don't worry. It's all about breaking it down into manageable parts. So we're going to start from the top and work our way down. Head to the nearest wall in your home. Start with wall push-ups. This exercise targets your chest and triceps. Place your hands on the wall, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body towards the wall and push back. Repeat this 20 times. Next, we move to squats, a fantastic exercise for your lower body, especially your quadriceps and glutes. Find a clear space. Stand straight with feet hip-width apart. Lower your body as if sitting on an imaginary chair. Keep your back straight. Stand back up. Repeat this 20 times. Now, let's target the core with some good old-fashioned planks. Lie face down on the floor. Lift your body up onto your elbows and toes. Keep your body straight and hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. This exercise works wonders for your abs and lower back. Moving on, we have lunges to work on your hamstrings and glutes. Stand straight, step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and switch legs. Repeat this 20 times on each leg. Finally, finish off with some jumping jacks for a full-body cardiovascular workout. Stand straight, jump and spread your legs while swinging your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position. Repeat this for a minute. Remember, consistency is key. Do these exercises 3 to 4 times a week and you'll start to see results. It's not about quick fixes. It's about creating a sustainable routine that you can stick to. To summarize, to create a full body workout at home, start with wall push-ups for the upper body. Then move to squats for the lower body. Follow this up with planks for the core, lunges for the hamstrings and glutes, and finish off with jumping jacks for a cardio workout. So get up, get moving, and start building that dream body right in your home. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay safe.